हर साल 12 जून को वर्ल्ड चाइल्ड डे के रूप में मनाया जाता है। इस दिन दुनिया भर में कई कार्यक्रमों का आयोजन किया जाता है। इस दिन को मनाने का मुख्य उद्देश्य बाल श्रम पर रोक लगाना है और इस बारे में जागरूकता फैलाना है। इस दिन की शुरुआत 2002 में की गई थी। हर साल 12 जून को विश्व दिवस बाल श्रमिकों की दुर्दशा को उजागर करने के लिए सरकार, नियोक्ता और श्रमिक संगठनों, नागरिक समाज के साथ साथ दुनिया भर के लाखों लोगों को जागृत करता है और इनकी मदद के लिए कई कैंप भी चलाए जाते हैं। थैंक यू।
So you have already got an idea about World Day Against Child Labor. The students of our school, that is Sunrise Global School Gandhidham, are going to tell more about child labor through thought, poems, speech and stories. So come, let's hear them about child labor. So we are conducting this special assembly on World Day Against Child Labor. Come, let's start the journey and know more about child labor.
Good morning. I am Sapna Solanki, class teacher of nursery. Jia Damani from nursery will speak Gayatri Mantra.
Hi, my name is Jia Damani. Om Bhul Bhuvashaha Tatthavitul Manayam Bhargo Denasya Dhimai Dhiyo na Pachaniya.
Good morning. I am Nusrat Mondal, the class teacher of Junior KG. Parshna Hora from Junior KG will speak Navkar Mantra.
Namo Hariyantaram, Namo Siddharam, Namo Ayayaram, Namo Ujayaram, Namo Rosavusamuram, Eso Pancharanam Mutaro, Sarvapanapangaso.
Good morning all of you. I am Rekha Sen, class teacher of 5th. Bansi Patel will speak Saraswati Vandana for the day.
या कुंडेन्दु तुषाहारधवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रवृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्करप्रभृतिविदेवे सदा वन्दिता सा मा पातु सरस्वती भगवती निशेषजाड्यापहा.
Good morning everyone. I am Asmita Sharma, class teacher of grade 10. Sanjay Rathore from grade 10 is going to conduct the prayer today.
Good morning, my name is Sandhya Rathore. I am in grade 10 from Sunrise Global School. Today we are conducting this special assembly. Let's get ready for prayer. God is one, God is one, God is one for everyone. God is one, God is one, God is one for everyone. Rama here, Rama there, Ram here, Rama there. Rama, Rama everywhere, Rama, Rama everywhere. God is one, God is one, God is one for everyone. Allah here, Allah there, Allah here, Allah there. Allah, Allah everywhere, Allah, Allah everywhere. God is one, God is one, God is one for everyone. God is one, God is one, God is one for everyone. Jesus here, Jesus there, Jesus here, Jesus there. Jesus, Jesus everywhere, Jesus, Jesus everywhere. God is one, God is one, God is one for everyone. God is one, God is one, God is one for everyone. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning. This is Sammi Solanki, class teacher of grade 1. Ahil Mohammed from grade 1 will speak word of the day.
Good morning. I am Mohammad Tahir of grade 1. Today, word of the day is slavery. The meaning is the state of being slave. People are still suffering under the yoke of slavery.
Good morning. I am Divya, class teacher of grade 2. Gunakshi Upadhyay will speak thought of.
I am Gunakshi Upadhyay from grade 2 and today's thought of the day is say no to child labor and yes to education.
I am Hima Danaji, class teacher of senior KG. Jishan Tareja from senior KG is going to speak a poetry on child labor.
Morning to all. I am Jishan Tareja from Senior KG Sunrise Global School. मुझे पढ़ना लिखना अच्छा लगता है। रोज मुझे पढ़ना लिखना अच्छा लगता है। रोज शाम अपने दोस्तों के साथ खेलना अच्छा लगता है। रोज शाम अपने दोस्तों के साथ खेलना अच्छा लगता है। मजबूरी ने कर दिया वक्त से पहले बड़ा मुझे। मजबूरी ने कर दिया वक्त से पहले बड़ा मुझे। वरना सिर पे बोझ उठाना किससे अच्छा लगता है। वरना सिर पे बोझ उठाना किससे अच्छा लगता है। मैं भी पंछियों की तरह उड़ना चाहता हूँ। मैं भी पंछियों की तरह उड़ना चाहता हूँ। मैं भी पढ़ना चाहता हूँ। मैं भी पढ़ना चाहता हूँ। स्टॉप चाइल्ड लेबर। स्टॉप चाइल्ड लेबर।
I am Preeti Anwar, class teacher of grade 3rd. Shriyansh Vaishnav from grade 3rd will speak amazing fact of the day.
My name is Shriyansh Vaishnav. I am studying in standard 3rd. Amazing fact of the day is recycling one aluminum can save enough energy to run TV for 3 hours. Thank you.
Good morning. I am Harsha Lalla, class teacher of grade 4. Kamal Patel from grade 4 will speak story on World Day Against Child Labour.
All of you, my name is Kavan Patel from grade 4th in Sunrise Global School. Today I am going to share a short story on World Day Against Child Labour. Lina comes from a poor family in Cambodia. At the age of 9, her parents entrusted her to a friend who said she could find Lina work in Thailand. The woman promised to send Lina's parents part of her wages to help support their family. In Bangkok, Lina stood for long hours outside nightclubs in the red light district selling flowers and candy to tourists. Her merchant took her earnings and beat her when sales were low. After 2 years, her merchant convinced Lina's parents to also allow her 8-year-old sister Shreya to work in Bangkok. Unwilling to let her sister suffer the same abuse, Lina thought to escape. She asked a nightclub worker for help. Luckily, he agreed. After spending several months in Thai Children's Center, the girl were returned to Cambodia. The Dam Nok Reception Center for Trafficked and Abused Children give Lina and Shreya a safe place to live, 3 meals a day, interested counseling and schooling. It also located their family. Today both girls are happy and safe, and they have goals that are truly within their grasp. Lina, now 12, intends to be a teacher, and Shreya, age 9, wants to be a nurse. Moral: children should not work on fields but on dreams. Thank you.
Good morning. I am Twinkle Rana, class teacher of grade 6. Today Mokshit Parekh is going to tell news.
Good morning all of you. My name is Mokshit Parekh from grade 6. Today I am telling the headlines of news. First is national news. India hints at talks with Taliban G7 to provide 1 billion vaccine doses to world and more. New Delhi asks Beijing to allow Indian nationals to travel to China. Sports news. Neeraj Chopra throws 83.18 meters to clinch gold in Lisbon. India's Olympic team to be fully vaccinated. Narendra Batra. Weather news. Heavy rain likely in Goa, Gujarat, Goa, Gujarat, Kerala, Konkan region. Thank you.
Good morning. I am Jigna Oza, class teacher of grade 8. Harshvardhan Bhanusali will speak few lines today.
Good morning, parents and teachers. My name is Harshvardhan Bhanusali of class 8. Today I am going to tell about the Child Labor Day. The significance of the World Day Against the Child Labor is to pay attention to the problems of child labor and to find ways to eradicate it. The day is used to spread awareness about the harmful mental and physical problems faced by the child labor, forced into the child labor all over the world. Facts about the child labor are: the World Day Against Child Labor is International Labour Organization sanctioned holiday first launched in 2002, aiming to raise awareness about the activism to prevent child labor. 152 million children worldwide are victims of the child labor. 88 million are boys and 64 million are girls. Girls who leave school early to disproportionately to undesirable responsibility for chores within their own homes, while boys are more likely to leave school permanently in order to join the labor force. In 1883, Samuel Gumption led the New York labor movement successfully sponsored legislation, probably cigar making in tenements where thousands of young children worked in trade. The first organization efforts to establish a national child labor reform organization began in the South.
Good morning. I am Preeti Chaudhary, class teacher of grade 9. Gagan Sen from grade 9 will give the speech of the day on the topic World Day Against Child Labor.
Warmest greetings to everyone present here. I am Gagan Sen from class 9. Today I am going to shed light on a topic that is child labor. Child labor is a disease that attacks our society to date. It is a menace and has led to a shackled society. A society where children have to replace learning with earning and joyous life lessons with complaints and childhood with adult maturehood. International Labour Organization, that is ILO, established the World Day Against Child Labor back in 2002 to throw light on child slavery and try to attempt it. Consistently on June 12th, government managers and labor associations, collective society, and a large number of individuals meet up from the world and to feature this child labor done to exist it and with their life. According to the International Labour Organization, there are 33 million Indian childs that are alone and practice child labor. The reasons are pretty, yet reforms and measures to create more certain laws and awareness seem to be missing. As you complain about the minor things in life, there are thousands of barefoot kids that toil day and night in mine temperatures, explosive and toxic gas. What did they do to deserve this? It's not your duty to help them. I will leave you to think about it. With this thought, I would like to end my speech. Thank you.
Good morning. I am Shobna Yadav, class teacher of grade 7. Richa Sharma of grade 7 will conduct the pledge.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Richa Sharma of grade 7. Let us take a pledge. Pledge. India is my country, and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect my parents, teachers and all elders and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being, prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा
द्राविड उत्कल बंगा
विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा
तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाए तव जय गाथा, जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय